Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English words together. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today, our word of the day is different. Different is an adjective, and it's a very useful one. It means not the same. If two things are different, they are not alike. Think about it. A cat and a dog are different. My shirt is a different color than my pants. See? It's all about noticing what's not the same. Now, let's look at some synonyms for different. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for different is unlike. For example, my brother and I are unlike in many ways. He loves sports, and I prefer reading. Another synonym is distinct. The two flavors are distinct. One is sweet, and the other is sour. We can also use the word varied. The menu offers a varied selection of dishes from around the world. Another great synonym is dissimilar. These two paintings are dissimilar in style and technique. Finally, we can say unique. Each snowflake is unique. No two are exactly the same. Now, let's explore antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. The opposite of different is same. For example, these two cars are the same model. Another antonym is similar. The twins have similar personalities. We can also use the word identical. These two copies are identical. There are no different details. Another antonym is alike. My sister and I are very alike. We even dress the same. Finally, we can use the word equivalent. $10 is equivalent to approximately 8 euros. They have the same value, although they are different currencies. So, we've covered synonyms like unlike, distinct, varied, dissimilar, and unique, and antonyms like same, similar, identical, alike, and equivalent. Now, how can we use different in everyday life? Well, you can use it to describe almost anything. You can say, this coffee tastes different today. Or, my school is different from yours. Maybe you want to say, I have different plans for the weekend. It's a really versatile word. Here are some more examples of different in sentences and phrases. That's a different story. This means the situation is not the same as before. We have different opinions on that. This means you don't agree with someone. It makes a difference. This means that something has an impact or effect. Try something different. This is an encouragement to do something new. That's completely different. This emphasizes that something is very much not the same. Let's look at a few more complex sentences. Although we come from different backgrounds, we share the same values. Learning a new language is different from learning math, but both require practice. She has a different approach to problem solving than her colleagues. Her methods are unique. The weather is very different in the summer than it is in the winter. The temperatures are drastically different. It's important to be respectful of people who have different beliefs than you do. Remember that we are all unique. The two books cover the same topic but use different writing styles. One is formal and the other is informal. This shirt is different from the one I bought yesterday. It's a different size. My routine is different on weekdays than on weekends. During the week, I wake up at 7 a.m., but on weekends, I sleep until 9 a.m. Even though they are twins, they have different personalities and different interests. One likes to read, and the other loves to play sports. The food at this restaurant is very different from what I'm used to. It has a unique flavor profile. Remember, different simply means not the same. So, today we've learned that different means not the same. We've explored synonyms like unlike, distinct, varied, dissimilar, and unique, and antonyms like same, similar, identical, alike, and equivalent. We've also seen how to use different in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new. Before we go, I have a little favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it really means a lot. And now your homework. I want you to create your own sentence using the word different and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.